So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 75 for stories on Smart and TNTSM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang guys sa dial ng ating mobile device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after nito guys, piliin lang natin yung giga slash araw-araw. So number 5, type natin is number 5 and then send. So dito guys, piliin naman natin is yung giga which is yung number 1. So type natin yung number 1 and then send. And next guys, dito piliin naman natin yung Triple Data Plus which is yung number 3. So type natin yung number 3 and then send. And dito guys, piliin naman natin yung number 2 which is yung stories. And lastly guys, dito pipiliin na natin yung 4 gigabytes for 3 days na 75 pesos. So ito na yung ating Triple Data Plus 75 for stories. So i-type lang natin yung number 1 and then send. And ayan guys, nakalagay dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Triple Data Plus 75 for stories, makakakuha daw tayo ng total of 7 gigabytes na data. So, 4 gigabytes na data plus bukod pa yung 1 gigabytes na data para sa stories araw-araw. So, total of 3 gigabytes yun guys para sa stories natin araw-araw. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron pa siyang unli calls and text for 3 days. So, for only 75 pesos lang yan guys. So, para subscribe, type natin yung number 1. And then send. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 75 for stories sa ating Smart and TNTSM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!